Welcome everyone, and let me start myself by solving the most important problem from partial differentiation. So, how to find the shortest distance from origin to the surface? xyz square is equal to 0. So let's get started to solve this problem. So it's very clear on the screen that to find the shortest distance from the origin to the surface, xyz square is equal to 2. To find this, let p x comma y comma z be any point on the surface, xyz square is equal to 2. So let P be any point on the surface, and we have to find the distance from the P to the origin. So how to find the distance between P to the origin? Any point from OP is given as OP be the distance from the origin to the point P, that will be x square plus y square plus z square. So if you square on both sides, then d square will be x square plus y square plus z square. So we have the value z square from the question. It is xyz square is equal to 2. So given xyz square is equal to 2. From this, what is z square? Z square will be 2 by xy. So remember, I am substituting this in this. D square is equal to, see here, x square plus y square. Then what is the z square? It is nothing but 2 by xy. So our d square is ready here. So this is the distance. To find the shortest distance from the origin to the surface, xyz square is equal to 2. So this will be the function. Our function is now the function that is the shortest distance between the point P to the origin onto the surface, xyz square is equal to 2. Therefore the function is x square plus y square plus 2 by xy. So first we have to differentiate with respect to x. That is, dou f by dou x will be 2x, and with respect to x, y is 0, and 2 is a constant and y is a constant. So 2 by y I am writing as it is, and 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this will be dou f by dou x. And next, what we have to find? We have to differentiate with respect to y, and we have to equate this to 0, and we have to equate dou f by dou x to 0. So that is 2x minus 2 by x square y is equal to 0. So with this, if I cancel this 2, see here I can cancel this 2, and if I take x square y as an LCM, then it will be x cube y minus 1 is equal to 0, and finally x cube y minus 1 is equal to 0, and x cube y is equal to 1. See, my value is x cube y is equal to 1. If I differentiate f with respect to x, I got x cube y is equal to 1. Again, I have to differentiate f with respect to y. See, my f is here. My function f is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 by xy. Again, I have to differentiate with respect to y. If I differentiate with respect to y, then it will be fy, dou f by dou y is equal to, with respect to y if I do, then x square is a constant, that is 0. This is 2y, and if I differentiate with respect to y, x will be constant and 2 will be constant. I am writing this constant, and 1 by y is nothing but minus 1 by y square. So again I have to equate dou f by dou y equal to 0. So if I equate it to 0, then 2y by 2 by x y square is equal to 0. If I cancel this 2, then what will happen? And again, if I take x y square as an LCM, then it will be xy cube minus 1 is equal to 0, and xy cube minus 1 is equal to 0, and xy cube is equal to 1. So after equating fx is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0, I got the equation as x cube y is equal to 1. See here, x cube y is equal to 1. So this is x cube y is equal to 1, and for this x y cube is equal to 1. So if I equate these two equations, so let us consider that this is 1 and this is 2. 1 and 2 are equal. If I equate these two equations, what will happen? X cube y is equal to xy cube. So this will be x cube y minus xy cube is equal to 0. If I take xy as common, then it will be x square y square is equal to 0. So x square is equal to y square, and x is equal to plus or minus y. So x is equal to plus or minus y, and this is xy is equal to 0. So what will satisfy? 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1. These are the only 2 points. These are the stationary points. What are these? These are the stationary points. So first of all, so the function is given as x square plus y square plus 2 by xy. I have to differentiate f with respect to x for one time, and I have to equate it to 0, and again I have to differentiate f with respect to y, and again I have to equate it to 0. So I got the two equations, and after equating these two equations, I got these stationary values. So I have to find the shortest distance now. So how to find the shortest distance now? I have to make the values of L, M and N. As I said you in my previous videos, I have given you all the working rule, and from that I have to calculate the L value. See, my L value here is, so how to find L? So L will be dou square f by dou x square. M is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y, and N is equal to dou square f by dou y square. So by using this, I have to find L, M and N value. What is dou f by dou x value? See, our dou f by dou x value is nothing but, see here, it is 2x minus 2 by x square y. So again, for L I have to differentiate for one more time, that is dou by dou x of dou f by dou x, which is equal to dou by dou x of, what is dou f by dou x? That is 2x minus 2 by x square y. So with respect to x, x will be 1, this will be 2, and for this, see here, with respect to x, minus 2 and y are constants, and for 1 by x square derivative is nothing but minus 2 by x cube. So this will be minus 2 by x cube. So which is nothing but 2, minus of minus plus, so this is 2. 2 2s are 4 by x cube y. So this is the formula of 1 by x square. So my L value, dou square f by dou x square is ready. So which is nothing but L is equal to 2 by 4, 2 plus 4 by x cube y. So L value is ready here, and after getting my L value, I have to calculate M value. So what is M value? So M, how to find? That is nothing but dou square f by dou x dou y. For that, I have to make a differentiation with respect to x, dou f by dou y. What is this dou f by dou y? Dou f by dou y value is nothing but, see here, dou f with respect to y and with respect to x we have made. What is dou f by dou y? See here, yeah, dou f by dou y value is ready here as 2y. See here, this is 2y minus 2 by xy square. This is 2y minus 2 by xy square. If I differentiate dou f by dou y with respect to x, I'll get the value of m. See here. So with respect to x, y is a constant, that this is 0, and with respect to x, what are constants? Minus 2 by y square is constant. And if you observe, derivative of 1 by x is nothing but minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 by x is nothing but minus 1 by x square. So m value I got as 2 by x square y square. So after getting m, I have to go with the value of n. So what is this n? N value is nothing but dou square f by dou x square. So which is nothing but dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. What is our dou f by dou x value? See here, just now I have written here. So our dou f by dou x value is 2x by 2 by, so n value is nothing but dou square f by dou x square, which is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. So that is dou by dou x of dou f by dou x value is nothing but 2x minus 2 by x square y. So I have to differentiate with respect to x. For x it is 1, this is 2, and with respect to x, what are constant? 2 by y is constant, and the derivative of 1 by x square is nothing but minus 2 by x cube. So I have to substitute this derivative here. So this will be minus 2 by x cube. So n is equal to 2 plus 4 times of x cube y. So I got the n value. So my m, n, l, m and n are ready. So what is l value? See here, it is 2 plus, l value is nothing but 2 plus 4 times of x cube y, and m value is nothing but 2 by, see here, m value is nothing but 2 by x square plus x square into y square, and n value I got as 2 plus 4 times of x cube y. So after getting L, M, N values, see here, this is L value, this is M value, and this is N value. So I got a stationary point as 1, 1. If I substitute, L will be, see here, if I substitute in place of x1, in place of y1, so which is nothing but 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. L I got as a 6. And if you see m value, that is 2 by x square y square. If you see, it is 2 into 1 into 1 in place of x1, in place of y1, so that will be 2. So m is equal to 2, and n will be 2 plus 4 times of x cube y, and n is equal to 2 plus 4 times of 1 into 1. N is equal to 2 plus 4, and n value is 6. I got the three values, that is, see here, L is equal to 6, M is equal to 2, and N is equal to 6. So after getting L, M, N value, I have to find the value of Ln minus m square. So after finding Ln minus m square, I have to check whether it is positive or negative. So I have to find Ln minus m square. So my L value here is 6, L is equal to 6, M is equal to 2, and N is again 6. After substituting, see here, that is a 6 into 6 minus 2 square, which is equal to 36 minus 4, which is equal to 32, which is a positive value. I got Ln minus m square is equal to 32, which is a positive value. So if I get a positive value, Ln minus m square is Ln minus m square is a positive value, then I have to check my L value. What is L here? So L is equal to 6, which is also a positive. Then F will take a minimum distance. So what is the Z value here? How we can get the Z value? So we have Z square is equal to, from the question, it is 2 by xy. So if I keep the point at 1 comma 1, if I keep this point, then z square is equal to 2 into 1 into 1, and z square is equal to 2, and z is equal to root 2. So I got the point as x1, y1 and z as root 2. I got the three values, and I have I've considered this as a point P. So I got the P point, that is x comma y comma z. So I have chosen, let P x comma y comma z be any point on the surface. I got the point on the surface, and now I have to make a shortest distance from the origin. So this is the origin point 0, 0, 0, and this is the P point. So the shortest distance, I have to find the shortest distance from origin to the surface. See, to the surface, that is x, y, z square is equal to 0. So this is the question, how to make a shortest distance. That distance I have to make, and it will be x square plus y square plus z square. The formula from the origin to a certain point x, y, z will be x square plus y square plus z square. So x value is 1 square, and y is 1, and z is root 2. So this is root 2 whole square, and the distance d will be 1 plus 1 plus 2, and d is equal to root 4, and the shortest distance is 2. So our shortest distance from the origin to the point is the 2. So this is how we have to solve. So don't think that it is difficult. If you see my previous videos, I have given a clear working rule. So if you follow that working rule, this will be very easy. So we got the shortest distance from the origin to the surface, that is x, y, z square is equal to 2 as 2. So this is the shortest distance. So once back to the beginning, see here. So we have to find the shortest distance. So for that, I have chosen a certain point P, x, y, z be any point on the surface. So I have to find the distance. So that is root over x square plus y square plus z square. So this will be the function, that is x square plus y square after substituting the z square value as 2 by xy. So after getting the function value, how to find? So we have to differentiate with respect to x for one time, and we have to equate it to 0. After equating, I got the value of x cube y. X cube y is equal to 1. So again I have to differentiate with respect to y, and I have to differentiate with respect to y. So I got the equation as xy cube is equal to 1. So again, after equating to 0, I got these two values, both got 1 as a value. So equation 1, I am equating these two equations so that I got the stationary values as 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1. So remember this stationary point. And after getting these points, I have to make the values of L, M and N. So the formula here is L, M and N. So again I have to make a double derivative with respect to x. So I got the value of L as 2 plus 4 by x cube y, and I made the value of M as 2 by x square y, and after that I got the value of N as 2 plus 4 by x cube y, and the stationary value have taken and have substituted, and I got the values of L as 6, M as 2 and N as 6. After getting L, M, N values, I have to calculate this value Ln minus M square. So initially our values are L is equal to 6, M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 6. After substituting, I got Ln minus M square positive value. So if I check, L is also positive value, so definitely I'll get a minimum value for the function f. So z square is given as 2 by xy from the equation, from the question. The question is xy z square is equal to 2. From that, z square will be 2 by xy. So I have taken and have substituted the xy values as 1, and I got the point z. So I have chosen p is equal to x comma y comma z, and I got the value of z also. Now I can make a shortest distance from the origin to the surface by using this formula, that is x square plus y square plus z square root over. So after substituting all the value, I got the shortest distance as 2. all. So this is so important. So please concentrate on my previous videos also. I've given a working rule, vivid working rule. So after seeing those, it will be very easy. So keep practicing consistently but not occasionally, and these videos will definitely help you in your quick revision, and these are most important problems. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends, and hope you will have a look at my next video. Until then, bye and good luck.